Hey everybody, this is Dr. K. Today I'd like to go over hamstring stretches. I'm sure you have seen hamstring stretches, or your therapist or your chiropractor or maybe your personal trainer showed you some hamstring stretches, which I hope you're doing. Today I want to show you hamstring stretches from a chronic pain perspective. These are stretches that I give out to my chronic pain patients, those who suffer with low back pain and a lot of that sacral gluteal pain or that buttock pain. So these are just going to be real simple stretches to do, but they're important to do. Now I recommend that you do not, I repeat, do not perform stretches in the morning. You gotta be up for at least an hour before you do any type of stretches. That way your muscles are warm. You never want to stretch a cold muscle. So for the hamstring stretches, what I recommend is that you get a rope. This is just a fancy rope here, but all you need is a rope. You can use a chain, and you need a floor. Now if you can't get down onto the floor, it's okay to do this in a bed. Also, if you have any neck issues or any shoulder issues, it's okay to use a pillow as well. Alright, so here we go. We're going to start out real simple. It's just a small group of movement patterns that you do for the lower back, and you're getting your hamstrings here. So, you start on your back, and what you do is bring your knee in, and you're bringing it down. Now, this is just to warm up the back a little bit. We're going to do 5 repetitions of this. And then we're going to switch to the other side. Nice and simple. Notice how I keep my head on the ground. Always do both sides. And we're just warming the legs up a little bit before we get into the hamstring stretch. It's going to be real simple to do. Good. Now on this one here, all you're going to do is bring your leg up a little bit and extend. Notice I'm not driving my leg up here. I'm just bringing it up a little bit and extending. You're going to do 5 repetitions of that. Down, up, straight. Down, up, straight. I think we have one more. And again, if you're down here and need to straighten, that's okay. You're just starting out these hamstring stretches. Again, these are hamstring stretches for those who are really suffering with some chronic pain and discomfort. I'm going to do one more rep. Good. And now what I'm going to do is start to use my rope. I'm going to wrap around my foot. And all I'm going to do here is hold it like this, and in this position, I'm not going to put the leg down, and I'm just going to extend my leg for 5 repetitions. Real simple. 3, 4, 5. I switch to the other side, and you're going to do 5 extensions again. See that? We're just getting the hamstrings really warmed up. Got 2 more reps. Nice and simple. Good. The next movement is you're going to pull back a little bit, and you're going to just nice and easy. This is called a ballistic stretch because you have a little bit of a bounce to it. 4, 5. Now in the 5th one, you hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch legs. So again, knee bent or bouncing a little bit. 1, I'm not jerking it, just bounce, a little bounce. 3, 4, 5, and then I'm going to hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next, we're going to do the same movement pattern, very similar, but the legs are going to be straightened. So in this one here, what I want you to do, I want you to start with your ankles, bring your toes back towards your knees for 5 repetitions. Real simple, just bringing them back to your knees, and now we're going to do one leg hamstring stretch. We're going to follow the same thing. With the other leg straight, we're going to do 5 extensions. Just getting that hamstring really warmed up, nice and easy. And then we're going to switch. And the reason I switch is so we don't keep hammering that same muscle. So it gives you a little bit of a break. And again, if you're down here, you're down here. That's okay. You're just starting them out. And again, if you like, put a pillow behind your neck. 5. Good. We're almost done, believe it or not. Legs straight. We're going to bounce or do a ballistic stretch for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold on for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we switch. And remember, the legs are out this time. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're going to hold for 5. You get the 5th one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that is it. So again, very simple. Do hamstring stretches. Grab yourself a rope. It makes it a hell of a lot easier. If you have any neck or shoulder issues, please use a pillow. That's it for now. If you have any questions, please email me.
Let me know what you're feeling, how you're feeling, and if you need any help with your exercise routine. Take care for now. Thanks.